rough.
Where's the lock, you think? Before or after Hastings?
I think before.
It's not on the...
Do a Google search for Lock and Dam number 2, Mississippi River.
Okay, Google. Lock and Dam number 2, Mississippi River.
I started wondering why it was so loud.
No worry.
St. Paul District. Upstream of Hastings.
Oh, is it? Let me stand up. $3.25.
Oh, it is after 8. It's just after 8.
Is there anything?
After that?
Yeah. Well, that means we got a little bit of time
It's pretty quick.
to scoot around him, maybe. So if it wasn't for that damn lock, we probably would have been up here before lunch, which is what I expected.
I mean, literally, the thing is probably 15 minutes from here.
Well, yeah, if the lock is after Hastings, there's not really much to get to at Hastings. So I remember going up to the lock and turning around. I don't remember seeing much between here and there.
Oh, you gotta go in.
Oh.
Guess we could just go here, and if we gotta wait, we gotta wait.
Yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking.
Wish we could see if that barge was through before we take off from here, though. I don't... Just go sit and wait out in the water.
Well, we can call the barge. Call the Lock and Dam.
Oh, can you? Is the barge through yet?
How much longer until you're going to let Pleasure Craft north on the barge go?
Head north. Yeah, it doesn't matter to me. Pretty open. I've got nothing else today.
At this rate, I'm pretty sure we're going to be in St. Paul by sundown, so we're good.
I will be in trouble if it's not till sundown. Okay, I got the pass, but I didn't get... It's not open-ended.
Oh, we should be up there for dinner.
We gotta be there before dinner.
Like I said, we'll be up there for dinner. I'm not looking to take, but yeah, that's the only thing that's going to hold us is a barge. I would say we're another hour, maybe an hour and a half.
St. Paul?
Yeah.
Yeah.
If we were just moving. So that puts us there at 3 o'clock. 3:30.
Give or take, yeah.
And if it wasn't for the goddamn no wake zone.
It's about 3 miles long.
Yeah.
Crazy. Hey, Con. What you guys doing? You're not doing anything? Oh. What are you having, Panda Express? We are in Prescott. We're just going to have lunch ourselves. We think we'll be to St. Paul probably about, we're thinking about 3:30. Maybe earlier. I mean, because we're going to stop and have lunch, so that's probably about 45 minutes. So
I think we're an hour of boat time. Hour to an hour and a half of boat time.
we were thinking about 3:30 boat, you know, by boat time. So what we're thinking. So we think, well, no, you make it sound that we think we have about an hour to an hour and a half after we get back on the water. But unfortunately, there's a barge we might have to wait for to get through the lock.
And we had to wait, what, 45 minutes? Not even for a barge at the first one.
Because we can't. It's already getting towards the lock, so they're gonna let the barge go first. So we're gonna stop, and we think the barge will be through by the time we're done with lunch. So we don't think we'll get held up. So that's what we're thinking. So we'll give you a call when we get back on the water. Okay? Okay. Bye. So he said, "Why don't you get ahead of the barge? You're too fucking smart." You got your portable battery with?
Yes, a couple of them.
I guess I could just plug into that thing.
Uh-huh.
I don't need a charger with it.
I do.
Charger cable.
I do.
323. Oh, competing 325 over here.
Wow. How is this so dark and black? Water. Ugh.
So, oh yeah, this is where we stopped, got gas in the 6 or 12 pack one time.
Yeah,
That's that day. That's the day. That was the day that was the Friday.
yeah, that we ran out of
Yeah,
gas.
gas.
Because we went up here and we like putzed around and talked instead of just ordering food and getting going.
Where did we eat?
We were up here and we walked it down a little bit. Like, we didn't just find the first place. We looked around for an hour. We wasted as much time as we could. And I'll never forget when the trip was over how annoyed I was with you because you were like, oh, we don't have to order right away. Let's just have a beer or two. And I was like, and then it's like, okay,
it's all my fault?
it's now dark.
Yeah, it probably was my fault.
It's now dark and
Glad we didn't get my shit faced. Poor decisions.
no cleats.
There is up there, in front of this other one.
Should be a cleat like every 3 feet.
They probably don't want you right here.
How do they not want business here? There's a nice looking boat.
They just don't want you parking right there. That is a sharp looking boat, isn't it?
22 foot sea ray.